When you called your brother and you asked them, do you eat dinner already? I have food here. And then they replied, no, we didn't even eat lunch yet because we have no gas to cook. Now it's 10 p.m. I am here at the beach bringing food for them, dinner. This will be lunch and dinner for them. It's already almost 11 p.m. Sister is to the rescue, guys. Andrew is sick, and then yeah, normal life.
Ba? Tuwag biktima na ka to.
Nya, wa pag mo ni tawag nga kuan. Wa man din yung kaon.
So, Mark, karon ay bag-o pagtawag ko. Ni anha.
Ha?
Natug. Ni anha ko. Wa man din Justin.
Oh. Sige, sige.
Lama ka rin.
Oh, kamu randong mic ana? Ah.